The view of mountain so clear the opposite mountain a village called Nagi. There have temple of God many people going to workshop God many tourists. Came hiking and visit this place my ag d Nepal near Benibas are the white show on video is called Mount Everest of Nepal. The view is beautiful and nice. Atmosphere the climate is wonderful and clear little bit cold weather Dholagiri Ankle Nepal district my ag d the perfect scene opposite village from. Here there are man hydro project already start now many village are located in this area Ikas Tandshir Kokok etc. always look pure nature. The wind flows permanently Che a mere crosser machine have established 12 years before from Indian government and Nepal government for underground. Plaster to flows water and generate electricity for Nepal 20% and India 80% project already start many years the company is Indian Kuljak Makapus Hydropower.